Hey guys, it's your girl Tracy, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So I'm coming back with another brow tutorial. So my daughter Naja, her birthday was today, and I decided because she turned the big 13, and she's a teen, like, hey, let me show you how you would look with your brows done. So we went in and we did a little simple, easy brow makeup for her. Now Naja, she did not want to do any brow maintenance. She didn't want any waxing, tweezing, or razoring. That's a word, yeah. So I decided just to go in and use what she has naturally. So I'm using a dip brow product. I believe it's in the shade blackest brown. And I'm going in with a spoolie and a brush with a spoolie on the end. I found the natural shape of the brow and just traced it out, and I filled it in with that product. I'm doing that on both sides, and you should see when I get to the front, I'm just running the spoolie through the front of the brow, fanning out the product at the front and leaving it bolder at the ends. Um, Before I went in with the dip brow, I did use a little pomade stick from Elf to hold the brows down and give me a good surface to work on. So now I'm coming in with some concealer. I'm using a lighter shade underneath, carving out that brow, giving it a great little shape, cleaning up some of the excess product, and kind of concealing some of the extra fine hairs that's underneath and above. Because she didn't want to do any maintenance, we are trying to conceal and hide those imperfections as easily and effectively as possible. So yeah, I'm going in on the top and the bottom. I did use a darker shade on the top. That's kind of closer to her skin tone. So I'm going in with this nice little cotton swab, and I'm removing all that excess product, giving her a really clean finish around the brows and just making them look as nice as I can. Yeah, I do that. So yeah, also, I'm going in, as you can see, next, I'm going to go up to the front and kind of blur that brow out. She has that nice, good old Cookie Monster unibrow. Was it Cookie Monster or Bert Ernie? One of them Sesame Street characters had that good old, or was it Grouch? Anywho, she has the unibrow going on. And so I'm going in and just doing a little perfecting, blurring out, trying to make the beginning of the brow look as sparse as possible, because of course, like I said before, the opening of your brow should look more natural and feathery and the end should look a little bit more complex and deep, using that cotton swab, going in cleaning up. So basically towards the end, all you can see is me doing a little bit more perfecting. But yeah, so this is how the end result is. If you guys like this video, please heart, share, subscribe. Let me know what content you'd like to see. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. And until next time, goodbye. Thank you guys. Bye.